This is going to be the foundation for a thriving ecosystem, starting with Darkling Eagles, who have the most extraordinary superpower. During the day, they would seek shelter to hide from the desert heat. Not all of them would make it. Those that found safety underground waited until nightfall to re-emerge. They began to group up for a monumental moment. Even the beetle I thought was dead joined the gathering. It was as if they were frozen in time. They were about to reveal their superpower. They hold their ground and angle their backs high into the air. Suddenly, tiny water droplets begin to form. They're turning the wind into water, and as it drips down their back, they finally get to drink. It looks like they have escaped death, for now. By day 4, the beetles were not the only life in the tank.